Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix "We are sorry but there has been an error connecting to FIFA 23 Ultimate Team." You will be returned to the FIFA 23 main menu. So how are you gonna fix that? First of all, you have to close this tab. After that, you have to open the Play Store and you have to search for the FIFA 23 app, and you have to check for whether it is showing any kind of update or not. If it is showing any kind of update, then what you have to do, you have to simply update your FIFA 23. After updating, you have to check whether the problem has solved or not. If the problem is still there, you can go for the next trick, which is as you have to open the settings of your device. After that, you have to open apps or application manager. In apps or application manager, you have to look for FIFA 23 and you have to click storage and you have to clear the cache of your FIFA 23. After clearing the cache, and you have to check whether problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you can look for the next method, which is as you have to open a browser, which may be Chrome, and you have to search for FIFA 23 down detector, which means you have to check whether FIFA 23 is down or not. If it is down, then many person has reported the same error, which means this error has been due to server problem in the FIFA 23. If after opening the down detector, you can see the graph. If it is showing higher peaks, then it means that many people are reporting the same error, and you have to wait for the FIFA 23 server to fix it.